Where's your bone? Go get your bone. Bone, the bone. No, not squeak toy. That's not a bone. That's the squeaker. Hello, my name is Mary Graves, and this is Animals and Namaste. Thanks. Oh. Your few minutes of mindfulness, and sometimes my animals will filter in and out because I have no control. I should be training them, and I don't. I'm bringing a little bit of punk rock to today's practice, and I thought before we get started that I'd kind of talk to you about sitting positions, because I sit on the floor, I sit on this yoga mat of mine, and sometimes I like to sit on the couch, and sometimes I like to stand. I think it depends on what you're most comfortable with. So feel free to choose a position that is good for you. Right now, sitting on the floor. You could also use a pillow and place it underneath you, and that sometimes gives you a little bit more leverage in case you're not comfortable sitting on the floor and being flat. I know sometimes it can be bad on the knees and ankles. You could also position your legs in a couple different ways. Right now mine are traditionally crisscrossed, but I also like to sometimes have one leg on top of the other, and then I leave this leg kind of dangling. A good stretch can sometimes be trying to just gently push this knee down a little bit, and it's a nice little hip opener if you're trying to do a little bit of yoga along with your meditation. But don't do anything that'll hurt your joints or your bones or push you to a point you're not comfortable with. We're meditating, and if you can bring it into the practice, feel free to bring it into the practice. I'm not your mom. Do what you want. We're going to get started, but before we do, let me remind you that you can feel free to subscribe to this channel if you're on YouTube, or like my page if you're on Facebook. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think could use a few minutes of mindfulness. So let's begin how we always do, with a few deep breaths in. And breathing out. And we're breathing in. And we're breathing out. Make sure not to push yourself any more than you're comfortable. Breathing in. 3 to 5 seconds is totally fine. And breathing out. If you're more experienced, you feel free to go up to 10 seconds. Breathing in. And breathing out. Just go at a pace that is comfortable for you. And breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. And breathing in. And breathing out. And one more time, breathing in. And breathing out. And now that Charlie has walked in and joined us, we can start our mantra for today. Right? Yeah, he gives us permission. Today's mantra is 100% related to what is going on in the world today, and that is our health and healing. So today we are going to take in the ability to heal. And that's not just from the coronavirus or any other illnesses. That's also from mental illness and healing our ability to trust in others. Just so many other things that can be healed other than your actual physical health. So today we are just going to take in the general idea of being able to heal. Now you don't have to go at my pace, but I will be calling out the mantra every once in a while, and sometimes I'll just let you breathe in and out on your own. And breathing in. I take in the ability to heal. And breathing in. I take in the ability to heal. And breathing in. I take in the ability to heal. And breathing in. Take in the ability to heal. I take in the ability to heal. And one more time, breathing in. I take in the ability to heal. Okay, now let's take a few minutes, eyes closed if you can, hands open, accepting the energy that we've just built up into our lives. Think about this moment right now, what you're feeling. Think about how you're going to be healing from this point forward. Think about the things in your life that need to be healed and the plans that you want to put forth to bring that healing about. Deep breath. And exhale. All right. I feel prepared and ready to take my plans and just put them into motion. So hopefully you do too. I hope you got something out of this. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with anyone you think could use a little bit of healing in their life as well. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you're on Facebook watching this, feel free to like my page. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me, and as always, Namaste.